what is the value of x, given that you have 6 to the power of x equals 18. From here, we can use this by using two methods. Let's see method 1. Let's introduce log to both sides. So we are going to have, let's introduce this log. We are going to have here to be log 6 to the power of x equals log 18. Recall that when we have log p to the power of n from the law of logarithm, this power, as we have x here, can come down to base, then multiply by log p. Definitely, we can have x, then multiply by log 6 equals log 18. Then to get the possible value of x, let's divide through by the coefficient of this, of x, which is log 6. So this, we cancel out this. So we have x to be log 18 over log 6. Then recall that when we have log a over log b equals as log a in base b. So from here, we can write this expression as x will be equals log 18 in base 6. This is the first method. If you want to apply another method, let's say we have another method 2. We have 6 to the power of s equals 18. So from here, we have 6 to the power of s equals, we can have this as 6 times 3 to give us 18. Then we can divide through by 6 from here. So dividing through by 6, this we cancel out this. We have this to be 6 to the power of x divided by 6 equals 3. Then recall this can be written as 6 to the power of 1. From the law of indices, when we have a to the power of m over a to the power of n. So far they have the same base with different power, the law says take one base, then subtract the power. So from here, we can have it as 6 to the power of x minus 1 equals 3. So from here too, we can now say we want to introduce log to both sides. So here will be log 6 to the power of x minus 1 equals log 3. Then we told you that when we have log a to the power of m, as we have the power of this log 6 to be x minus 1, can come down to base to be m multiplied by log a back. So from here we have x minus 1 in parentheses multiplied by log 6 equals log 3. Dividing through by the coefficient of x minus 1, which is log 6, so we divide through. So from here, this we cancel out this. We are going to have x minus 1 equals log 3 over log 6. Recall that when we have log a over log b equals log a in base b, and so therefore we have x minus 1 equals log 3 in base 6. Collecting or taking 1 to the other side, we have x left. It will now be 1 plus log 3 in base 6. So from here we have x to be equals 1 plus log 3 in base 6 is the same thing as where we have x to be equals log 18 in base 6. This expression is the same thing. Now, to now check, let us recall we have 6 to the power of s equals 18. Let us check for this x equals 1 plus log 3 in base 6 first. So we are going to have 6 to the power of 1 plus log 3 in base 6. Then it's going to give us 18. Recall from the law of indices that when we have a to the power of m plus n, where we have our a to be 6, our m to be 1, n to be log 3 in base 6, can be simplified as a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So here will be 6 to the power of 1 times 6 to the power of log 3 in base 6. Then it's going to give us 18. 6 to the power of 1 simply means 6 times 6. Here will be 6 times 6 to the power of log 3 in base 6. Then it's going to give us 18. Recall that when we have p to the power of log a in base p, so far they have the same base as this, the output of this expression will be equals a. So 6 is here, meaning that when we have 2 to the power of log 3 in base 2, this will be equals 3. So when we have 4 to the power of log 5 in base 4, to understand it very well, this will be equals 5. So far this and this are the same. Likewise happen to this and this are the same, the output will be 3. So meaning we have 6 times 3, which equals 18. 6 times 3, the left hand side equals 18, equals the right hand sides. So seeing the left hand side equal to the right hand sides, we can declare that s equals 1 plus log 3 in base 6. Satisfy the problem given to us. When you also check for, we have 6 to the power of x equals 18, and we have x to be log 18 in base 6. From here we have 6 to the power of log 18 in base 6. That's going to give us 18. When you look at this 6 is here, we say we are going to take this 18 equals 18. So 2 of this solution is correct and they are the same. Bye bye.